Hey folks, Vic here, and I just have a mid-week trade video for you. And the purpose of this is to once again show how our patterns and our trading approach work for any trading style. Okay, this happens to be a micro scalp. I'll go through the details of it, and I'll be quick to say that this style of trading may not be your thing. You might not like that short of a time frame. It doesn't matter. All I'm wanting to do here is show you that no matter what style of trading suits you, you can apply what we teach to any time frame combinations. Okay, I'll show you the key levels. I'll show you the pattern. Actually, patterns, plural in this case, as there were more than one pattern. So lots of reasons to take this trade. I upload videos like this for our members, whether they are long-term or short-term traders, so that they can develop their ability to, instantly recognize setups in real time. Because, theory is one thing. But if you're willing to put in just a bit of work and see the repeatable process, then you can start to pick up trades like this for yourself in real time. Okay? I hope you like these videos and find them helpful. If so, all you need to do is give it a thumbs up, and I'd be a real happy camper. I'd just be very appreciative. Thank you. And be sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the video. Alrighty then, here is the trade. Okay, so as I said, this is a micro scalp, and it's important that you understand the time frame combinations to use with each trading style. So in this case, we use the 4-hour, 1-hour, and then we use the 5-minute chart for getting in. And we have a daily chart for general reference. And just on the daily chart quickly here, this level down here, we had a little rally and then a big hard drop. So that was the last time it rallied a little bit. We just kind of watch it. And you can see I'm not right on this closing. This is how we draw our levels, but it wasn't quite on it because I adjusted it when we went to the 4-hour. But, obviously some reaction around it here. Then we had a drop here and a lower low here. So is it going down? Well, then it rallies back up here and closes above the line. And on a smaller time frame, now we'll go to the 4-hour chart. It's a reference is all it is on the daily chart. On the 4-hour chart, this is where we really care about it. That is a great level. Why? Because when price hit it, it had a big drop, swing break, then a huge rally, closed above this high right here, and this candle is a telltale candle. And this is all about reading candlesticks and what they mean and that. But basically, just to see that such a bullish candle, mostly closing above this 4-hour line here, is important. So now it starts to establish above here, meaning that the entire candle is above here. And so is it going to come back down again? Is it going to bounce and go up? We don't know. You see, don't try to guess. Be patient. Let price come down to it. See what happens when price gets there on our hourly chart. You can look on the 4-hour chart too, but on the hourly chart, because we're going to key off the 4-hour, then the 1-hour, then we're going to try to enter on the 5-minute chart if there's a pattern. Well, the first time it comes down here, it hits it, and this is a really nice. I like that a lot. Look at the 1-hour level here, by the way. So we have a 4-hour. That's the same level that we had on the 4-hour chart. Perfect, really nice. And this did not meet our rules for entry. Okay, this is a pin bar reversal, a ACAT, as we call it, advanced candle action trade. Didn't meet our rules, so price comes back down again. In fact, and it stopped right up here. Comes back down. Just wait. See what's going on. This means nothing. This is another pin bar reversal. That means something. We're holding, and we got this long wick here. Now we go down. Is there a pattern forming on our 5-minute chart? Well, there certainly was a pattern forming. That was right in here, in this the area that I'm circling right here. That not only was it an ACAT, or on our hourly chart. This was what we call a swing break rotation. It was an ACAT. It was a head and shoulders pattern. It's a divergence pattern. Divergence, by the way, you can see that lower lows in price. See that? But look at the corresponding lows in the MACD. See how they're going up? So that's the way we see divergence. And then it has to qualify. And this qualified, it's a deep retracement entry the way I like to trade it. And by the way, full transparency, I did not personally have this trade. Okay, this happened just after the London Open, and for me, where I live in the world, I'm in bed at that time, so I don't get all these trades. I just want you to know that but they're very objective setups, so I can go have a look at them and say, was there a setup or not, A or B, like yes or no, and clear setups. And this is a really good one. What a nice move up. And by the way, just look where it went to. I mean, this is a great level to be looking to take a profit. Okay, doesn't mean that someone's going to hold it there. Your trade management, as I tell people this over and over, is going to vary. Some people get up 2 to 1 and they can't stand it and they get out, but that's fine. What you don't want to be doing is taking little tiny pip profits and then taking full losses, because obviously these trades don't always work. This is textbook. Okay, and it went up, and like one of our members said, it was a 4 to 1 reward risk up to here. So his stop was below here, right? And then this move up 4 to 1 reward risk. That's pretty darn nice. That happened in about 2 hours. So pretty nice when you get a trade like that. And when you get reward risks like that too, you can certainly afford to not have losses. That'll cover a lot of losses when you have 4 to 1 reward risk trades. Okay, so but it's important to understand that this kind of trading like this requires just as much patience as any other style of trading. You have to wait for things to be set up right. Are you at a key level? Is there a pattern? Is it one that we recognize? Is it nice and clear? Where is your entry? Where's your stop? Where's your potential for reward on this? And that's things like that you have to very, very much come to grips with, no matter what your trading style. Okay, so good. Hope that helps. So again, it doesn't matter if you're a long-term trader or a short-term trader. The process is the same. Okay, if you want to learn it thoroughly, we'd love to help. There's a link to our services in the text below this video or in the email that you received. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And in fact, leave a comment. I'd like to hear what you think about these kind of trade setups and these videos. I always like to have feedback. So thank you. Alrighty then, all the best everybody. Take care.